framed, okay, Mama? Okay.
I cannot.
I'm doing a project at my mother's house. Show the fence. So we've got this fence, and unfortunately, she's got a lot of it. It goes all the way down the hill on both sides of her property, and it's to replace it. It's going to be tens of thousands of dollars. So I figured out a little system where you just get these. Let me see. Well, here. No, over
Only
here.
the top.
Here, over here. No, over here. Over here. So see these? See these little? It's a pine board from Home Depot. It's like $3 a board. Of course, lumber's a little expensive right now. Come over here. Put yourself. Okay. And I've got my little Harbor Freight, my chop saw, and this. You need a pen to mark your boards. I do have a brad nail gun. I got a Ryobi at Home Depot, and I'm using 1.5-inch brad nails. Okay, so come over here. Don't trim. So, go through this way. Okay, all right. So, I don't want this video to go on too long. Here we go. So, the system that I kind of figured out works really good because these boards, sometimes they pop off and then the whole thing starts falling down, but if you just hit a nail on the boards that are loose, it really will keep the boards in place and give it stability without having to replace all these fences. And the total amount for materials, I bought some really nice, it's like deck stain, and the boards were about $150. Okay, forgive the camera work. Okay, all right, here we go. So then all you do is just go just right along the top rail, and then I just usually throw a nail right here in the middle. Bam, and it's super easy. So see these that might start sliding? They're going to stay in place. You hit the nail right at the closest part. Trying to make sure the bees aren't really unhappy with me right now, so I got to go fast. All right, there we go. And run a couple more over here to keep it straight. And voila, it's pretty easy, and it seems to be working really good. Gives it nice stability, and the boards don't shut. So that's my little tip for you other DIYers. You want to fix your fence, if you have this kind of fence, for relatively inexpensive, relatively small amount of money comparatively. Okay.
And then